We will now see how to convert from the US system to the metric system. In the first table here, we can see the quantities in the metric base units that we saw before. In addition, we can see the US conversions to these metric units. Now, some important ones to notice are that a yard is about the same distance as a meter, an inch is about 2.5 centimeters, 1 pound is about half a kilogram, and 1 quart is about the same as a liter. Now, time is measured the same in the metric system and the US system. However, what we'll see is that the use of prefixes do allow us to have the same benefits as we saw before, especially when trying to measure short time intervals like milliseconds and nanoseconds. Let's practice some of these conversions. In this first example, we need to convert 1 hour into seconds. And like we've done before, the first thing we need to do is to write what we're given, which in this case is 1 hour, over 1. Next, we need to convert from hours to minutes, and we write 60 minutes on top with 1 hour on the bottom so that the hours cancel. Next, we need to convert from minutes to seconds, and we do that by writing 60 seconds on top with minutes on the bottom so the minutes cancel. Now we just need to gather together our numbers, simplify, and arrive at the answer. In this case, 3,600 seconds. In our next example, we're converting 1 day into seconds. As before, we write 1 day over 1, and we first need to convert from days to hours. We write 24 hours on top with 1 day on the bottom so that it cancels. Next, we can use the result of our previous answer. 3,600 seconds is the same as 1 hour. And again, we write the seconds on top with the hours on the bottom so that the hours cancel. Now all we need to do is gather together our numbers, simplify, and arrive at 86,400 seconds in 1 day. Again, in part C, we write 10 pounds over 1, and we need to first convert to kilograms. We do this by writing 0.45 kilograms over 1 pound so that the pounds cancel. And now we convert from kilograms to grams by writing 1,000 grams over kilograms so that the kilograms cancel. Again, we need to group our numbers together, simplify, and arrive at our answer, 4,500 grams. In this last one, converting from kilometers to feet, there's multiple ways to go about it, but we always need to start the same way by writing 1 kilometer over 1. I'm going to convert from kilometers to miles to feet, and so I do that first by converting from kilometers to miles by recognizing that 1 mile is the same as 1.61 kilometers. Again, the miles go on top and kilometers on the bottom so that the kilometers cancel. And then I convert from miles to feet by recognizing that there's 5,280 feet in a mile with the feet on top, the mile on the bottom so that the miles cancel. Now all I need to do is group all my numbers together, simplify, and arrive at the answer.